Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making sausage and peppers. And the best part is it's going to be done in your crock pot, so you can just set it and forget it. This is perfect for me during the holiday season because, to be honest with you, I spend a lot more time on like pastries and desserts than I do on like actual cooking. So this is perfect for me. So let me take you through your list of ingredients. Come on. Alright, so we're going to start out with our sausage. I'm using hot Italian sausage, but any sausage will do. I've made it with different variations. In here I have some sugar, some garlic powder, some oregano, and then dried basil. And here I just have a little bit of fresh thyme and rosemary, some salt, some pepper, some tomato sauce. In here I have peppers. So I have a yellow pepper, red bell, and then some onions. And then I just have some Marsala wine. Of course, you're going to need your crock pot, and that is it. Alright, this does not get any better, any easier, also any better. You're going to add in all of your veggies to the bottom. You're going to add in your sausages. Just use your hands. I'm not going to be touching anything after. You're going to add in your crushed tomatoes. I'm using a 28-ounce can. That's perfect for this. Perfection. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Marsala wine, I'm going to dump it into the can, and I'm going to swirl it around to kind of get the remainder off. Get that right in there. And then what we're going to do is add in our spices. So all of our dried spices, including, actually I'm going to wash my hands, I'll be right back. Alright, sorry, I forgot that I was going to touch salt, and I don't want to touch it with, sausage on my hands. So you're going to add in your salt. And then a dash of pepper. So I'm just using black pepper. Perfect. And salt and pepper you do to taste. And then finally the finishing touch is our dried herbs, which is just the thyme and oregano. I'm going to give this a nice zhuzh. Just to kind of spread it all over. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is it. Look at that. Perfection. Alright, everything is in my crock pot. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this on low for 6 to 8 hours, and I'm going to let this cook. And then you're going to place it in your favorite rolls, and you have some stellar pepper and sausage sandwiches. You can do it on a side of rice, whatever floats your boat, but these are so easy and so delicious. You have to give them a try. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!